I am a laid-back Canadian. Today I'm going to react to Infected Rain because I Let You, one take sing through. This is recommended by somebody in the comments for one of my other reaction videos. I'm not familiar with Infected Rain. I don't really know what I'm in for here. So let's get on it. Please hit like if you can, that'd be awesome.
Feeling lost again, I'm feeling down, suffocating while you watch me drown like a candle, flickering weak, hard to breathe in, hard to speak loud. Lonely roads with petals red. It feels so good, it hurts so bad. Love, lonely roads with petals red. It feels so good, it hurts so bad. Trapped in this cycle of pain profound.
All right, this is pretty cool so far.
I had a feeling I just knew. This is my doing, I just like you. A curse that brings happiness and sorrow. A light that
Have a couple
shines
different
tomorrow.
sounds to it.
Trust and keep our hearts wide to those who ignore our needs every day. Love, lonely roads with petals red. It feels so good, it hurts so bad. Love, lonely roads with petals red. It feels so good, it hurts so bad.
Gotta catch a breath here. It's going pretty hard.
Cut me open and see the real version of me. Cut me open and see the real version of me.
That Yoda? Her tattoo?
A thorny rose with petals red. It feels so good, it hurts so bad. Double-ended sword. So much work with no reward.
Figured that was gonna go hard again there. That's quite a switch up, eh? Kind of a cool song, interesting, jumps around a bit. Did it. One take. Well, I have to say, that was it was a cool song. Lots of different kind of tones and paces and style in there. That was kind of cool. She seemed to do a good job, one take, and didn't seem to look like she was struggling or anything. So I mean, that's good. kind of a little different. Not seeing a full band, but just the computer screen there. But I guess that's how they do it sometimes. But yeah, good job by Infected Rain here. I don't know if that's their normal thing or not, but um, seemed to come together well, that song. So that's cool. Do you have any other suggestions for Infected Rain or other bands for that matter? Please feel free to put them in the comment of must-sees. Also, if you have any interesting facts or information, always fun to hear that stuff. So feel free to put that in the comments as well. It's always cool to learn something new about what you just watched. And of course, whatever else you want to say or suggest or whatever. Um, Again, it'd be appreciated if you hit that like and you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Get me towards that goal of 1,000 subscribers. And of course, we'll hopefully see you again in the next reaction.